This is Nilima Amit from One Life Many Journeys OLMJ. Today's meditation is about dropping. Dropping your inhibitions, dropping your stress, dropping your worries, dropping your frustration, dropping your failures, dropping everything that bogs you down, weighs you down. In today's meditation, we'll stand and sway to the music, swing along with the music. I'll guide you through to swing and sway. But you can swing and sway as you feel like, as you desire, as if no one is watching you. You're just one with the universe. Move your hands, move your legs, move your whole body to the music, to the rhythm, and just become one with the universe. The second part of this meditation will be rock still. You will stand rock still after the music ends and silence begins. If you can't stand, then place a mat close by so that after the music stops and you're supposed to become rock still, you can go and sit on your mat in Ardha Padmasana or Pudana Padmasana with your hands in the receiving position. Ensure in the rock still position nothing distracts you, not a mosquito, fly, or the sounds around you. Just be rock still and see the rhythm of your breath along with the rhythm of your surroundings. See what thoughts are coming in and get ready to do this meditation of dropping everything and becoming lighter, lighter like a feather so that you can soar high up in the sky without anything that will pull you down. The background scores today are the relaxing deep music from Mindful Kids and the Natraj music. So let's get set, stand comfortably, and I'll instruct you what has to be done next. As you stand there, just relax your whole body. Take an inhale, a deep inhale through your nose up till your navel. Inhale calm and peace, and exhale from your navel through your mouth all the stress, all the worry, all the tensions. Once again, inhale tranquility, inhale abundance, and exhale through your navel up to your mouth with a sigh, all the scarcity, all that is not so good. Once again, inhale through your nose deep within and exhale through your mouth all that you do not require. And now just shake a little fingers, wiggle your fingers and wiggle your feet as we step into swinging gently and slowly. Now we start swaying our hands. We will wiggle our hands and start swaying them. If we wish to, we can raise our hands high over our head and just start swinging as though we are swinging in unison with the breeze around us, with the air around us. Slowly and steadily as you swing, start moving from your hips. Start moving your upper body. Feel as if everything is just dropping off you, going out in this universe, all that things that you don't require. Start swinging and start becoming one with the music. As you sway, start moving your head. As you move your head in rhythm with the music and your hands along with the rhythm and the music, start moving your feet. Move the way you like. Dance the way you like. There is no right, there's no wrong. It's just beautiful. Dance or stand and just swing and sway to the rhythm of the music. Make a choice that you want. Make a choice that your soul wants. Make a choice that your heart wants. And keep swinging to this beautiful music the way you want, with your arms wide open or your arms high up in the sky, as if you're touching the skies, as if you feel this the sky is the limit and you can touch the heavens and the gods and the almighty there. Or you can just get some peace, some tranquility, and get it within you by moving your hands high up and bringing them down towards your crown and towards your body, and feel as if you're absorbing all that divine healing energy within you, which is going to each body cell of yours and healing you, is making you refresh, is re-energizing you, it's making you feel a more calmer, more peaceful. It's taking away all that is not wanted, all those anger, all those frustrations, all those failures, all those worries, those stress, all those people who actually pull you down are being removed as you sway, as you receive from the universe all that you want to enrich yourself, to re energize yourself. You can imagine everything is flying off that you don't want, and everything that you want is coming towards you through this swaying of yours, through this swinging of yours. Keep moving gently to and fro in a rhythm as you feel is the right rhythm for you. Enjoy the music, enjoy your movements. See the beautiful harmony, the sync that is there between your movement and between the music and between the universe. You feel so one with it. It's working, it's helping, it's healing everything. All the hurts, all the bruises, everything. Physically, emotionally, on the soul level, everywhere. The healing is getting into you. You're absorbing it and letting go of all those things that are not required. You're decluttering from within, and you're taking in only and only all that nourishes you, that uplifts you. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful experience. And now we slowly and gently slow down. We slow down and just stand, rock still. Just let the body breathe. Just let it vibrate. Just feel the energy that is flowing through you right now. And see your rhythm. Just be a witness to everything that is happening to you right now. Just be a witness to your breath. Be a witness to your thoughts. Be a witness to all the vibrations, all the energy flow that you feel in your body right now. Just be there. Just be there. Now, slowly and gently rub your palms and place on your eyes. I'm sure you're feeling very light now, like a feather. Do comment in the comment box your experience with this meditation. Do like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Heartfelt gratitude. Have a blessed day. Signing off, Nilima Amit from One Life Many Journeys, OLMJ, bestseller author, holistic life coach, and a Reiki healer. Thank you.